Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the speed ramp filter video trend on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any of the social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So as you see here, this is the speed ramp filter video trend on TikTok. So this effect adds a zoom in effect and a speed up effect on your videos. So let me show you how to create this video trend on TikTok. So to create this video trend, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download it. Once you've downloaded CapCut, go back to TikTok and here you're searching for speed ramp filter template. Now in the search results, you're looking for those videos that are doing the trend. For example, this one here, and this one here. So you want to go ahead and tap on the video that is doing the trend. On this video, you're looking for CapCut Try This Template button just here at the bottom left. If you see it, go ahead and tap on it. This will now show you the template. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in CapCut. This will now open up CapCut and will show you the template. Go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now you can go ahead and choose some media from your camera roll. So you need to choose a maximum of 14 media to this template. Once you've chosen that, go ahead and tap on Preview at the bottom right. This will now create the video for you, and as you can see, it's created the video. Now once you're happy with that, tap on Add Sound here in TikTok. This will now export the movie and send it over to TikTok. Since this is a template which you're using, TikTok will automatically add the trending sound to that. So if you tap on sound, you'll see the trending music to that template. Now if you play this with the volume, you'll see the music matches with the video effect which is applied on this template. Now, once you're happy, go ahead and tap on Next and then post this video to TikTok. So there you go. That is how to create the speed ramp filter video trend on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.